Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a term that has become increasingly prevalent in today's society. It refers to the development of computer systems that are able to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. The concept of AI has been around for decades, but recent advancements in technology have brought it to the forefront of innovation. One of the key components of AI is machine learning, which involves training computer algorithms to recognize patterns and make decisions based on data. This allows AI systems to improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is used in a wide range of applications, from self-driving cars to personalized recommendations on streaming services. Another important aspect of AI is natural language processing, which enables computers to understand and generate human language. This technology is used in virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, as well as in chatbots and language translation services. Natural language processing has the potential to revolutionize communication and make information more accessible to people around the world. AI is also being used in healthcare to analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and assist in drug discovery. By harnessing the power of AI, researchers and healthcare professionals are able to make more accurate diagnoses and provide personalized treatment plans. This has the potential to improve patient outcomes and reduce healthcare costs. In the field of finance, AI is being used to detect fraudulent transactions, optimize investment strategies, and automate customer service. By analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, AI systems can identify patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to detect. This has the potential to make financial markets more efficient and secure. AI is also being used in the field of robotics to develop autonomous machines that can perform tasks in a variety of environments. From manufacturing to agriculture to space exploration, robots powered by AI are revolutionizing industries and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. While the potential benefits of AI are vast, there are also concerns about the ethical implications of this technology. Issues such as bias in algorithms, job displacement, and privacy violations have sparked debate about how AI should be regulated and used responsibly. As AI continues to advance, it will be important for policymakers, researchers, and industry leaders to work together to ensure that this technology is used in a way that benefits society as a whole. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a powerful and transformative technology that has the potential to revolutionize industries, improve healthcare, and enhance communication.